this is AirGlide, our project. This project is a web application which basically aims to replace the keyboard and mouse and hardware components. Basically, our project is a gesture-based project which you use hand gestures to control the movement of your mouse. Okay, he's gonna demonstrate it now. This is a login page which uses the face recognition and authentication to log in. कैमरा एक ही जन आना चाहिए फ्रेम में. So this is our home page. Now there are a list of 9 gestures here which are used to control the web application. He's going to demonstrate now. We are going to open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, you can see there's a search window there. Now without keyboard, how are you going to search? So we have a voice recognition feature here which takes voice input from the user after initiating a gesture and types it there and searches. He's going to demonstrate it now. As you can see, he said computing and it's searching here. On next, if a user is using YouTube, he wants to play, pause and mute a video, right? So we have a gesture for that also. See, this gesture mutes and unmutes the video. And we have a gesture which is for 5 fingers up, which pauses and plays the window. This is a toggle gesture. We also have a drag and drop gesture. Scroll gesture. This is a scroll gesture. If you put your thumbs down, it will start scrolling down. And if you put your thumbs up, it starts scrolling up. The background must be clear for this prototype to work properly. Yeah. Next, we have the drag and drop gesture. We can use it to in Tinkercad and design-oriented apps. Also, you can use this drag and drop gesture to slide and swipe to create playlists on Spotify. See, in Tinkercad, he's going to demonstrate how the drag and drop gesture works. Okay, uh, okay, that's project. Now you can see our use cases here. Uh, This app can be used in smart homes, in smart TVs, where you can sit on your couch, relax, and use gestures to like change TV, change movies, pause movies, play music, adjust the volume of the movie and the music. You don't need any hardware device to use this. It's solely based on your gestures. It can be used in gaming and entertainment department, education, technology, and design and creative applications.